Batman the Caped Crusader from Ocean, developed by Joffa Smith on the special effects label, 1988. Now, I had this game and I found it very difficult. Never completed it. So this is a 2017 remake, rehash, reversion with cheats, because I cannot do this. Great game, but always got frustrated. So this mission is the first mission, Bird in the Hand, with the penguin as your main enemy. I could usually get to the mansion and that was it, but I've just sat and done a walkthrough with the map next to me and directions and what to do, and I finished it. So hopefully I've hit the record button and we can do this. Wish me luck. Right, so here we go. In the Batcave. I love the flip screens that we have here. It's very like comic style of the time. Right, I'm just trying to think where we go first. Right, pick up the red nose. That is for a disguise later on. We have a menu system as well. I'll show you that in a minute. Here we go. So we've got to fix this room first. So we pull down a fire. You notice I've got no energy bars there because we have the cheats on. So that's 1% of the game done. Right, where now? Oh, Batamarang, let's get our weapon. Okay. I'm not sure what the toilet roll does, can't remember. Yeah, this version suffers from a bit of flickering, so it's not on every screen, but it does flicker occasionally, which I do apologise for, because this is a TR-DOS file. So I would pick up this. I think this is a pick lock. Yes, that's for the mansion door later on. So off we go. The Batmobile. Can't get in the Batmobile. The disc. Insert the disc. I think that's for the end of the game. Yeah, I do apologise for the flicking. Do we insert the disc now? I think we do. Yeah, we insert the disc now to do this level and go out in the Batcave. Right, through the door. Through the door into the streets, I think. There's the penguin. Let's turn it up a bit. There is. It's all 48K sound, so it's right. The food you pick up is for your energy, which I don't need. The shoes can make you run faster. So I'm not too concerned about the henchmen at this point, because I'm pretty much invincible. Yeah, I could get to the mansion usually. Oh no, I've got to go past this bit. I have, as I said, I have the map beside me. And this game, I'm looking at walkthroughs online. Oh. Pick up the door key. Usually takes about 20 minutes if you know where you're going and you don't get lost. So there's the. There are little clues on the top of the screen. So I need a passcode for that. I think we've got the ladder now for this. Up the ladder. Pick up the Coke can. Can of pop. Now there are other moves you can do. Can't remember what they are. I think there's a punch. So we need the torch. We need the torch. What are the other moves? Is it up and... I can't remember. Oh, that's your mint. Yeah, down and fire. Oh, there we go. Up at an angle and you can do the kick. That's right. And I think you can do a crouch kick as well. And notice King Kong in the background there. Very nice. King Kong is now part of the DC universe, spectrum-wise. So down we go. We've got to go into the office area. Just checking my map. I think we go up. Yeah, looking at the map. There we go. Really nice graphics on this. Absolutely beautiful. There's King Kong in the background, the Statue of Liberty. So you use the pick lock on this, but I think we need to pick that up first. Need the rope. Let me just check my map 1 second. So yeah, I am. Let's. My inventory is going to get very full. So let's eat the sweets. So just empty my inventory a little bit. The enemies do run off. So let's continue. Right, so let's pick the lock, which is this, I think. Yeah, 6% done already. Right, we're in the office. We're in the offices. The penguins are here now. Oh. Can you get? Oh, I've gone out. Oh. Yeah, you can do down at an angle and crouch. Yes. Through this door. Let me just check my map. Yeah, I think this turns the colour off, makes it monochrome. That, you can quit the game, which you don't want to do really. This takes you back to the game. Yeah, you can do a wrong turn in this and get lost quite easily. Lift key, so I need to go back. I need to find the lift to operate and go down a level. Yeah, we're going to go that way. Yeah, the next level is the is it a fate worse than death? Which is the Joker level. But I could always get further in this one. Right, I think we stand here and use the green key. Oh, I've got this key. I think it's the green key. Yes. There we go. I'm just checking my map. I'm using the map from Crash magazine. I think I go this way. Oh, I'm not sure. I think the door. Oh yes, we've got a tall room. That's right. Okay. Now go the other way. Yeah, a lot of flashing happening here. Do apologise. It's just some of the TR-DOS files have this issue I've noticed lately. right, hold on a minute. I think I've gone the wrong way. There's 2 objects to pick up, so I need to pick up that. But I think there's 2 other objects to pick up over here first. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry using the cheats, but I just wanted to do a full video, really. I'm not getting frustrated. Let's use a can of pop, because this would have taken my energy up. Right. I need the dart. I don't really need the toast. I'll just eat the toast. I need to use the rope somewhere. Is that toast? Is that toast? What is that? Oh, I've not picked the toast up. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to leave the toast. Leave the toast for now. I don't need the energy. Yes, I'm probably going to play through some more of the Batman games. Batman the movie. And which is on my channel, but it's just a brief oh god, I keep, what's the down kick? I can't do the down kick. Right, just checking my map. Yeah, I would have been dead a long time ago. Oh, I've picked up the disc already from this room, haven't I? Did I pick up the disc? Yes. Did I pick up the disc? Yes, that's the disc. Right, so let me check my map again. Through this door. Not that way, this way. Ah, here is now I need to use the rope. So easy having the there we go. Piss off. Yeah. I love the sound effects on this. It's definitely a Joffa sound of. You definitely did the sound effects for this. There's the magnet. I'm not sure what the magnet does. But now the dartboard. So this is where I use my dart. Um, 31%. Just checking the map. You definitely need a map on this. There we go. I've got the. That's the pass to get into the mansion, I think. I can't do my down kick. That's my up kick. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you press the direction, then go down, then press. Yes, there we go. So you can kick some penguins in the butt. Can I continue climbing up? No. So let's go down. Let's eat some egg. Oh, I can't pick anything up. Nope. I'm not picking up the egg. Right, away we go. So backtracking. Oh, get off. Let's go through the door. I think I have to go up the lift again in a minute, which is in here. Yeah, for lots of flickering. I do apologise. Use the key. I think is that one. No, that one then. You know what? I think I'm not central. Let's do that again. Yes. So away we go. Through this door, I think. There we go. And we're out. Just quickly look at the map where I've got to go. Yeah, this is a great game. It does suffer a little bit through running out of energy quite quickly. So I was always a little bit disappointed in myself. Got frustrated a little bit while playing it. Right, so we need to use the pass. Here we go. Pass and go. So that's pretty obvious. And now the torch. There we go. Don't mention it. See, lots of nice little humour. No, I think I've. Let me check my map. Oh, I'm getting a bit lost. No, that actually turns the colour off, doesn't it? So yeah, that's monochrome now. Let's have colour. Right, I'm a bit lost. I think I'm going the right way. Yes, this is the tape I need at the end. Oh, that way. It should be a yes fireplace. It's just the combination of colour on this is really nice. Let me check my map again. Yeah. Right, TV. Oh, here we go. Oh, look, sorry about the flicker. Really sorry about that flicker. So we need to insert the tape into the TV. Not entirely sure why. Yeah, lots of flicker going on. I do apologise. Yeah, it seems to happen on a few of my videos. Oh, I can't take the cake. Oh no, I can't. Let's eat the cake. Eat the cake. Don't need it. My yeah, I got my strength, health, time. You're timed, and I don't know what that one is. Let's eat the cake. Just for fun, because Batman likes cake. And of course, this came in the beautiful big box with the poster, which I had on my wall, like the size of the box with RoboCop that came in, which I like that. I did like that format. Very much so. Right, I think I've gone the wrong way. Hold on one sec. Gold. There's a knife there. A little bit confused where I am. Oh, I might have to jump a bit in the video. There's the penguin, there's the penguin, there's the penguin. There's the penguin. He's just, I don't know what you do with him, he's just there. But we don't need the penguin yet, we need to go and find the room and stop his computer. I'm a little bit lost. No, I'm getting lost now. I'm lost. Right, I got a little bit lost then. So I think I'm back on it. This should open the door. Yes. Get off. Right, yeah, the flip style does get confusing. Banana, don't really need that. I haven't got any space for my banana. Yes. Very flickery again. Yeah, the flip screen does get confusing sometimes. When you get lost. I'm just checking again. Need to go back. Let's put our running shoes on. Let's put the running shoes on because they make you faster. Yes. This way. 3 steps to hell. Trumpet. Trumpet. Don't know what the trumpet does, but we're going to sound it anyway. Okay, so how much percentage of it is 79%? I don't know if I can actually finish the game. No! Quick, no! Right, so in here, so I think what do? We have to put our nose on. That makes me invisible. And then we have to do, what do we have to do? We have to put the disc in the machine. Yes, there we go. I did 91% of the game. Computer is stopped. Wow. So it is quite hard with cheats, to be honest. So there we have it. Probably will play the second part of the game with the Joker. But yes, very nice to play that. That's the first time I've completed it today already, but not with the without cheats, unfortunately. But yeah, great game by Joffa Smith, really good. Very underrated and very not many people talk about it, to be honest. But very much his style, and it's Batman at the end of the day, isn't it? I mean, who doesn't like Batman?